Hello everyone, I'm Claire. Today I'm going to talk about the two nodes for pairing the T130 transmitter and the T131 receiver. Some customers don't pay attention to these 2 points, which will lead to unsuccessful pairing. First, press the right button of the transmitter, and then press the middle button at the same time. Release the middle button when the screen lights up. Then you can press the left button and the right button to adjust the ID number. Now we press the left button of the receiver first, and then press the middle button. Release the middle button when it turns on, and you will see the ID number becomes 00. Wait about 5 seconds. You will see the transmitter and the receiver's channel become the same. However, please note that at this time the receiver is in the state of searching for the transmitter signal. They have not finished pairing. You need to turn them off and press the power button to turn them on, and you will see the signal icon appear on the receiver, which indicates that they have successfully paired. The second point to note is to plug in the headset and mic. You can see that the transmitter and the receiver on the same channel, but as soon as the receiver leaves in the transmitter, the signal on the screen will weaken until it disappears. Only when the receiver is right next to the transmitter, the signal will appear. Please note that it's not a product fault. You just need to plug in the headset and mic in. You see, after plugging them, the receiver will have a signal within 50 meters of the transmitter. This is the end of my sharing. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at support@rootcase.com. We have a professional customer service team to help you.